Ieasha and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm super excited because it's coming up Halloween and I'm going to be doing Halloween balloon garland. Alright, so I'm going to show you what I have. I have these beautiful orange balloons, and these are just some that I purchased from Party City. Alright, and I have already started to blow them up, and these are the orange ones, and I blow them up in different I've blown them up in different sizes. And I also have the black balloons that I purchased from Party City, 12 inches, and other items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree that I will be adding that will make it look all pretty and stuff. So, alright, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to be blowing these balloons up, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to hang my garland. Let's get started. So all I'm doing is just taking two of the balloons, and I have my handy electric balloon pump that I use often. I love it. And all I'm going to do is just take two of the balloons, blow them up just like so. Just like this. And these are already in pretty much their round shape. So I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm going to tie them together just like this, and this is called a pair. All right, just throw it to the side and just keep going. Now, as you see, these black ones, when I blew them up, they had like a cone shape. So I'm going to press it to release some air out of these to give it that round shape. All right. So I have finished blowing up all of my balloons, and what I'm going to be doing is a Halloween balloon garland, showing you how I will be hanging this balloon garland. As you see, I have orange balloons as well as black balloons. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I'm going to be constructing off my balloons. And as you see right here, I am going to be using my fishing line. All right, and you just have to be careful about fishing line because they will cut your balloon, so you don't want to do it too tight. I have used 260s. I love to use like curling ribbon, and I've seen some other balloon artists use like yarn. So those are some, just some suggestions for you to use if you would like to try something different with your balloons. But today I'm going to be using this fishing line. All right, so what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to construct it, and as you see, I have two orange, 4 of the balloons right here, but I'm just going to be using 2, and I'm going to take my fishing line and I'm going to wrap it around this part of my balloons, as you see right here, and I'm just going to take it, wrap it around, and just tie it just like so. All right, I'm not going to tie it too tight because I don't want it to cut the balloon. I'm just going to tie it again just to make sure. All right. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, here's my fishing line. I'm going to take my other orange balloon, just place it directly just like this right here, just like you're making a cross. Okay, just like this. Taking my fishing line, wrapping around this balloon that I just placed on the top, this balloon here, wrapping around this second balloon that I just placed on this side. All right, pull it a little bit in the middle. Okay. Now I'm going to take it and wrap it around the original balloon. And when I mean the original balloon, it's the one that I already put on the bottom. The one that's on, the two that's on the bottom. All right. Then I'm going to pull it in the middle. Take it and wrap it around the second balloon, the original balloon on the other side, just like so. And just give it a little tug here in the middle. And as you see, it doesn't go anywhere. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and finish it up. All right. This is how it looks so far. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding my black balloons right in this area. And I'm just going to kind of color code it. I'm going to have orange, black, orange, and black. All right, so I'm going to just take my black balloons, put it just like this. All right. And start wrapping. Today I am going to be doing a indoor Halloween balloon garland. All right, so we're going to be decorating our home for Halloween, but first of all I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to hang my Halloween balloon garland. All right, so first, as you see right here, I'm going to be hanging it on the inside of my door, and as you see right there on the right hand side as well as the left, I have already put up my command strips. And I have my door to put those up there. So I'm going to go ahead and hang my balloon. These, let me show you. This is the balloon garland I'm going to be hanging, and it is super long. And what I did, I constructed this using fishing line, and also I added some rubber bands to attach each of the clusters. And I'm going to be using this 260 right here. Well, I think it's a 260, 160, whichever one it is, to hang this to my command strips on each side right here. All right, so let's get started. So I did the first one over there with a 260, but I put them down somewhere and I don't know what I did with it just that quick. So I do have plenty of these rubber bands. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the other part of my balloon garland up using this rubber band, because I don't know what I did with my 260. All right. I have two command strips, one on the right, one on the left here. And this is how I did my balloons. I put the orange, black, and on this side I used a 260 to attach the orange balloon to the command hook. And on this side, I didn't know what I did with my 260s, so I couldn't find them after I used that one. I laid them down somewhere, so I had to use a rubber band on this side. All right, so I just wanted to show you how it looks right now, and that's how it looks. I love it. I'm going to go and put up some decorations that I purchased from Dollar Tree to finish it off. Alright, so now we're going to be putting up the spider web, and I have my daughter here to help me. So we're going to put everything up, decorate it. Spiders that I got from the Dollar Tree, and they're super gorgeous, with some of this tape right here, and I'm just putting them on the little legs and just attaching them to my balloons. And as you see, my daughter is decorating the door. All right. Everyone, so we are completely done. My daughter helped me, and as you see, I'm going to show you my Halloween balloon garland. There's a beautiful spider with the spider webs that we added, and that says boo. Give you a close-up, then I go back so I can show everything to you. Alright, so this is my Halloween balloon garland that I made, and all I did was add some spider webs and some spiders and the boo sign right there. Alright, and another spider, and my daughter decided to decorate our door, and we added this no trespassing tape, and we added these beautiful spiders here that you see. You see that? Beautiful. Alright, and they are hanging in that spider web. And we added another no trespassing tape there. All right, so let me stand back so you can see the entire decoration. All right. So I hope that you all have liked this video. This gave you some Halloween inspiration, some fun Halloween inspiration. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, let me know what you're doing for Halloween and what decorations you're putting up. Of course, some fun Halloween fun decorations. All right, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Elaborate Designs by Ieasha family, where I do event decor, I do balloon designs, and I also do tablescapes. All right, so you all have a amazing day, and I will see you all on my next video.